D2L is MTSU's official learning management system. It is similar to Google Classrooms, Canvas, or Blackboard. Each of your professors will use D2L to post grades, assignments, course announcements, and any other information that is important for your classes. On your computer browser, just go to elearn.mtsu.edu. Sign in with your student username and password and follow the security authentication process. You'll see your D2L homepage with the title for each one of your classes. If you don't see any current titles for the current semester before classes begin, don't worry. These classes don't show up until a few days before classes actually start. On the D2L homepage, under the My Courses widget, you will see tabs for different semesters. When you click on the semester tab, you can see your course titles for that particular semester. In the nav bar at the top of the screen, there is a link to your D2L email. You can also view announcements under the News widget on the right-hand side of the screen. To access a specific course, just click on the class title and you will see several tabs in the nav bar on the top of the page that will allow you to move through the course to find a ton of information about your class. To view D2L on a mobile device, download the Brightspace Pulse app for iOS or Android devices. Be sure to log in to D2L and use the Pulse app as much as you can to stay on top of all of your assignments for class.